Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you why you should actually be bullish on crypto and not bearish. So I want to go over two possible scenarios, and if we had actually gone up and tested this third level of resistance, I actually would have been bearish at that point. But seeing as we never even hit the first level of resistance, I'm actually bullish, and I want to share with you why and why I think you should not be dumping your bags and panic selling. So to start it off, we've been in downtrend now for, if you consider this the top, we've been in downtrend for 57 days. That is quite a long time. And so that alone should just be a signal that, like, hey, there will be some kind of uptrend at some point if we are in a bull market. Now, in a bear market, all of this would be invalidated, where it wouldn't matter how many days, in my opinion. It would just be a constant downtrend into darkness. But what I do think is a likely scenario is that you can see here we had a key level here, and this could be a double bottom here, but I actually think what's more likely, since we didn't bounce from this key level, if I zoom in to, let's say, an hour, key level was tapped. And by the way, these are levels that were marked out way long ago. They were marked out um, when we were still like just coming out of the downtrend that we were last in. But you can see here we bounced and we didn't really do much. Like, we didn't have a crazy reversal. So yes, it's possible we hover here, come down, and then pop up. But I think what's more likely is we come down and test this level here on the 39K for a double bottom on this, and also to catch stop losses right here. I'd show that the leverage is high again, but that seems to be a really good indicator. But what I care about is that this was a target that was planned out quite some time ago, and I think this will be a very easy win. So what I plan to do is, when we actually trigger the level here, I will be going in for a quick pump. Just as we did here, I mentioned in my Discord, I bought in, sold at like 20% gains, and then I just watched, and that money's been in stables ever since this drop. The same thing will likely happen here, but I'm gonna gauge it a little differently this time, just because this is a level that I have been waiting for. And I think that's important in crypto, is like, you have a plan and you understand why and what that plan is, and maybe you're wrong, but I've actually been waiting for this 39K for a while. And if you read through a lot of my texts in the Discord, it was a scenario I was considering for quite some time now. So anyway, I am expecting it to hit here. And then from that, I'm going to start gauging when it taps all the way up back here. The first level, second level, third level resistance. If we manage to break all these and keep going up, I'm going to be very happy, and I will be very bullish then. But I'm starting to feel that crypto will no longer do an impulsive wave up. I mean, this is impulsive in itself, but not the crazy stuff people are expecting. And so what I would want to say is, like, when you start to feel people FOMOing in, just sell. That's what happened here. Even though people were expecting 100K, the FOMO was happening here. You could feel the air was literally FOMO, and that should have been a sign for me to sell. So that's on me. That I didn't sell as much as I should have. But anyway, so if you're looking to get into crypto, you could start DCAing in. As always, I always say to DCA in, and yes, I also said DCA in here as well as here, etc. And people who wanted to FOMO in here, I was like, look, sure, no problem, DCA in. And that method always works, because it means every month you just stick in a certain amount of money and you continue to do so every single month. And then let's say it somehow breaks the second level of resistance, maybe you stop DCAing in. I don't know, that decision is up to you, but it's just a really safe way. It's what Warren Buffett does. But I came on just to share that I'm actually super bullish, because we have not really had any sign of going up for some time, as the first reason why. The second is because that I had already planned out 39K-ish area. Third reason is I still see crypto getting massively adopted and a lot of things are happening within crypto. It's different than 2017. The fourth reason is we never had a true impulsive wave. The fifth reason is if you look at the CBBI index, we never really hit that peak top. You can look at indicators that predict. I think obviously indicators won't matter anymore, but I do think that they do hold some meaning. I know that the last videos have been more of just trying to teach people and help you guys with understanding crypto as a whole. Maybe that's not the direction some people want. Maybe they just want calls. But either way, for those who do care, I just want to make these types of videos because this is part of the reason why fundamentally I've done so well in crypto is because of this. Because of that risk management, because of allocating my portfolio well, because of understanding my plan and trading my plan rather than just selling it and being like, oh my God, it's going down and then quitting and then seeing it go up and FOMOing in. So I hope that helps in some form or fashion. Thanks guys for watching.